In this video, we're going to look at how to create your first quiz in Quizizz. Now, before we begin, should you want to just search for a topic, feel free to type it in here and you'll see plenty of teacher-created quizzes that you could choose to use. In this video, we're going to create our own by clicking on the Create a New Quiz in the left-hand menu or across the top. The first thing you're going to do, of course, is give your quiz a name. And choose the most relevant subject area that's listed. If you don't see one that's relevant, choose Other. On this screen, you're going to see 5 different types of questions that can be added. Let me explain the differences between them. Multiple choice allows for only one correct answer. Checkbox allows for you to mark several answer choices as correct. Fill in the blank will take the student's answer and compare it to your answer character by character. This one can be a little tricky. Poll and open-ended are both great types of questions that are always marked as correct. Poll, of course, can give you instant data, and open-ended allows for some of those higher order thinking questions. I'm going to start by showing you a multiple choice question. So type your question here. What is this Google icon? And we can type in some answer choices. And should you want to choose to add an image or audio file, this is optional. All you need to do is upload it from your computer. Again, that is optional. Now, you can tag standards. And this time drop-down menu, it's very important you understand that this is student-paced. That means that once the student answers the question, it automatically moves that student to the next question. Should I set it at 2 minutes, it's not going to make the student sit there for 2 minutes before it gives them the next question. I always tend to choose higher minute times because I always have students that require a little bit more time to answer. And of course, if I'm doing some open-ended ones, I may want to give them 5 minutes. Just remember, as soon as they're done, it's going to move them to the next one. Now, if I were to hit save right now, it's going to give me an error message. It's important to see that it's telling you you have to check off which of these answer choices is correct. Now I hit save. Here's my first question. Should I want to add another question, I can simply choose the type of question from here, or I can choose new question from the top. Teleport is an interesting new option that's been added. Teleport will look through your current quiz and try to find keywords that may match your quiz. So here's one that says Google Tools Review. Interesting. Somebody already started making one. I can look through these choices, and should I find one that I'd like to add to mine, I simply click on Add, and it will automatically add it to my quiz. I hope this helps you create your own. Now that we've added some questions, we are going to hit done. And you'll see this final screen allows you to upload a picture. Again, this is optional. It's optional. Don't let this be the thing that keeps you from trying this. Your students will love it. Select the language and the grades that this may be appropriate for. And who can see this? If this is a completed Quizizz, please make sure you make it public so that other people can pull from your work. Since I didn't complete this quiz, I'm going to leave it as private because I don't want this to be anywhere on the Quizizz site yet. In the next video, we're going to look at how to push out the quiz once it's made.